Come on, hon. Let's go. That's up someone's stairs. Let's keep going. Right, honey. Let's come back. There we go. It's getting deep, huh? Oh, really deep. Wow. Gorgeous. All the trees covered in snow, but like I said, you can usually see gigantic mountains right there. You can't see anything because it's just completely, it's just a whiteout. Can't see very far at all because it's just all snow because of all the snow coming down. What do you think, hon? Getting cold? Probably head back and get the mail. It's just crazy if you look up. You can't see past all the white. Our mailboxes got frozen. Couldn't open our mailbox door. Pretty crazy. Alright, let's keep going. I've got little cleats on the bottom of my shoes. Alright, hon, let's head back. I bet you're cold. Forgot to put your jacket on. Let's keep going. Yeah, we've got little booties for Honey, but she refuses to wear them. She kicks them off every time we try to put them on. And then she did get a nice warm doggy winter jacket for Christmas. But we were in such a hurry, I ended up putting it on before it came out.